Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon.
Today we are going to see a case presentation in obstetrics. It is one of the common medical complication that present in every individual those who are entering into the obstetrical care. And also it is one, if we are not treating this condition in a proper way, means definitely the complication which arises. It may affect both the fetus as well as the mothers. So we should not take this as a simple case. We have to take that case as a give more important to the case what we are going to see, and we properly we can, if we are initially finding this case, means we can prevent in initial stage itself. So now Ramzana is going to do the presentation about the obstetrical case.
So the patient name is Vidya, age 30 years. The occupation is housewife. Husband name is Murugan, age 35 years. Their occupation is schooling. The obstetric score is G3P2L2.
Obstetrical score is
G3P2L2. The presenting complaint is the Vidya is come with amenorrhea and EC fatigability since 2 months. And the patient presents amenorrhea with EC fatigability since 2 months, and previously the patient was able to do her household work, but for the past 2 months she gets tired even with minimal work. On walking about 15 meter, patient's complaints of fatigability, giddiness, bladder effusion, which is relieved on rest.
So this is the history of present complaints about the mother.
What may be the diagnosis? Anyone can?
Anemia?
Yes, correct.
Yes, it's very good. It is anemia.
So,
now
I am going to present our topic anemia. Anemia is a commonest medical disorder in pregnancy time. There are 80 to 20 pregnant women are affected anemia in developed countries compared to 45 to 75% in developing countries. So, anyone can tell what's the definition of anemia?
Do you have any idea?
Anemia is nothing but anemia is a condition in which the red blood cells, the number of red blood cells or oxygen capacity is carrying capacity is insufficient to meet the physiological need of the individual. Or another definition is, it's a simple definition, the anemia is reduced at the hemoglobin concentration is less than 11 mg per ml. So, based on the hemoglobin level, the anemia is classified into mild, moderate and severe. Mild level is 9 to 10.9 mg per dl is mild, and moderate level is 7.8 to 9 mg per dl.
9 gram per deciliter.
Severe is less than 7 gram per deciliter, and very severe is less than 4 gram per deciliter. So, once again I am repeating: mild, moderate, severe and very severe. Next, the classification of anemia is mainly physiological anemia, pathological anemia. In pathological anemia, iron deficiency, folic acid deficiency and vitamin B12 deficiency anemia. Then hemolytic anemia and hemorrhagic anemia. The main causes of anemia is reduced intake or absorption. In pregnancy time, the main causes of anemia is reduced the intake or absorption of iron in the food items, or excess demand such as multiple pregnancy and blood loss. These are the main causes of anemia. Mainly 95% of anemia has iron deficiency anemia.
The causes again:
Reduced intake or absorption of iron, or excess demand such as multiple pregnancy and blood loss. These are the main causes of anemia. Next, effect of anemia on the body. Reduces the resistance to infection and also reduces the immunity power. Strain even on uncomplicated labor may cause cardiac failure.
It leads to PH, preterm labor
and potential threat to life. Affected fetus. Intrauterine hypoxia and growth retardation, low birth weight, prematurity, and increased the mortality and morbidity rate, and anemia in human after birth due to poor stores. These are the affected fetus in anemia. Next, prevention. What are the prevention we will take in the patient have anemia?
Yes,
Yes,
very
we will
good.
add supplement. Then
Folic acid supplements and iron-rich diet. Give us some example of iron-rich diet. And dates, drumstick leaves, pomegranate, red meat. These are all the some of the iron-rich food.
mainly the midwife can help the mother, the woman at the risk if the patient and if the mother have anemia, an accurate history of medical obstetrics and social life they will take it. And the main management is avoidance of frequent side effects and supplementary of iron therapy and dietary advice. Instruct the mother to take iron-rich diet, for example drumstick leaves or dates. And adequate treatments to eradicate illness likely to cause anemia, and early detection of anemia is very necessary.
And also we have to make the instruct the mother to prepare the food in iron kadaai, whichever it is also it is very helpful to enrich the iron supplements. Apart from the ragi is a rich source of iron day to day, like they can have the ragi in the diet, and on the same time the jaggery also it is as the rich source of iron, that also then groundnut also they can include in the diet.
Yes. Next, the therapeutic measures is mainly diet, antibiotic therapy, blood transfusion, iron therapy which may be oral or parenteral, and oral iron daily dose 120 to 180 gram is given.
So that's all about the anemia. Are you clear about anemia?
Any doubt in this section?
Okay, someone tell me about what are the causes of anemia.
Reduced intake of absorption iron.
Reduced intake of absorption iron, multiple birth, extra needs, and blood loss because of any reasons. Very good. So some of you tell about what are the effects to the fetus because of anemia. Prematurity, intrauterine growth retardation, low birth weight. So these are all the effects. So prevention already you said. So anemia means there is less the amount of hemoglobin level in the body.
Hemoglobin concentration less
In
than
the
11 gram per deciliter.
Okay, thank you all.